I put the ice on the hand, I put some ice on the arm. See me shining in the light, know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave, girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas, no, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds, now it's top floor. All these big gets on the wrist, VVS is on the neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, when I make it stretch. Double back to back end, down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin, down with me to the end. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend.
What up everybody, thanks for watching Jeazie TV. My name is Juju.
And I'm Jada. And so today, we're going to be doing some TikTok stuff. Snacks. Okay.
TikTok stuff snack. So what does that mean? We trying snack?
Yeah. From TikTok.
From TikTok? Okay. Alright. Well, what we gonna do first, girl?
So y'all, we got some jelly food from TikTok. If you watch TikTok. And then we got some of these pickles and a cotton candy we're gonna try together.
Alright, Jay, so which one we gonna do first?
Oh yeah, and we got these. We're gonna eat these with a pickle. We're gonna do
jelly fruit. We have two different kinds.
Yeah. These ones, this got a bigger bag than this one.
What's the difference between the bag? It's just... So I got some Caesars.
So these are the different ones. We got this one,
banana.
we got that one,
Bread.
we already showed that one.
Alright, so which one you gonna do?
I'm gonna do this one.
I'm gonna do the banana.
I'm not biting mine, I'm scared.
You're not biting it, but how else you supposed to do it?
Cut this.
I mean, I thought you were supposed to bite it.
That's how TikTok.
No, I cut it off. I ain't bite it either. So it's just like, it looks like this jelly. Oh, pop, it did pop. Tastes like medicine. What's yours taste like?
I don't like this one.
What is that? What is that? Apple?
Yeah.
It tastes like medicine. You would think the purple one tastes like medicine, but this one tastes like medicine.
Y'all, it's enough for me.
Yeah, give it a 1 out of 5.
No, 10.
1 through 10.
I give that a 5.
You give it a 5. I give it a 2.
The banana?
Yeah, it tastes like medicine.
I like this one.
You like that one? I'm gonna do the pineapple.
Y'all see that look just like a celery curd.
It doesn't taste like one. Alright.
Oh, I like this one. Oh yeah, and I tried to freeze one of these before. It was good frozen. It tastes like a
freezing something.
It tastes like a slushy. These are good. Like you wouldn't go try it.
You made it.
It's like yellow.
This one, I can't really taste it.
Oh, don't fart at me.
Don't fart at me. It don't really got no taste. I mean, it tastes better than the banana one because it don't taste like medicine. This one is more foreign than the other one. Yeah, like Jello. The other one was kind of like melted. Man, I knew I should brought some napkins over here. Okay.
Don't worry about this.
1 out of 5. 10.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
This one is 9.
9? I'm gonna give this a 5. I mean, it's better, but I can't taste it. It's like no taste.
Thing is, we're gonna try is the pickles and this cotton candy.
So we're putting pickle with, we putting cotton candy on the pickle?
Yes.
Who does that? Like, who
TikTok.
said, let's do that?
TikTok.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so pickles and cotton candy.
Yeah, and then after we're gonna try those. And then we're gonna try those with it.
With the pickles?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that'll probably be better than with cotton candy. She's struggling up here. She's struggling.
Yeah.
I trade you my pickle for a nickel. No.
Okay.
She's too young, guys.
Okay, no, I'm not.
Where'd that come from? What? Alright, now what we do?
Okay, now I'm gonna get the. You need a new one.
Okay, just eat it?
No.
Okay, just put it on there?
Golly. Okay, so now you
I
gonna
like
get
pickles.
you gonna get the cotton candy and then you go wrap it around her.
Wrap it around the pickle?
Yeah.
Up there.
Now we're gonna wrap it around the pickle. And we got baby pickles. He's so cute.
Okay, like that. Yeah, this is nasty. Like, who did that?
Y'all see that? I didn't wrap it around.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm good. It is good, I mean, because
Yeah.
I like pickles. From the cotton candy, the taste dissolves real fast, so.
Good.
I actually like it. You like it? That's weird. Yeah, it's good. I mean, it ain't nothing. I wouldn't just sit there and, yeah, let me go get some pickles and cotton candy. But, oh, what you give it? What you rate it?
7.
A 7? Yeah. I'm about 7 too. Actually like that. Slim Jim fire fries.
That's it. And we got this stuff from Hy-Vee, y'all. If y'all want to go to Hy-Vee,
Hy-Vee.
Hy-Vee.
Hi.
It wasn't hard. So let's open it. They kind of look like.
They just, I don't know.
No, they don't look like hot fries. Ew, hot fries is disgusting.
I like hot fries better than hot Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos?
Bah.
Fries.
Alright, you ready?
I'm highly confused.
I don't know. It's like, I like the spiciness of it, but it got like a different taste to it. Like, what you think?
I don't know. It's making me confused.
Why are you confused?
I don't know what it tastes.
That's why I said I don't know. It's like, y'all. 1 out of 10, what you give it?
I give it like a 9, but I don't know. Like it's supposed to be good, but I don't know.
Alright.
Now we're gonna try it with the pickles, y'all.
I think it'll be good.
Comment down below if you ever had what's her name? Pickles.
What's the name?
Pickles and hot Cheetos. Black.
Alright, so what do we just hold it together like so?
Well, I'm gonna put both of them.
But how you gonna do that? I'm not do all that.
Okay, let's try.
I'm gonna have it next to each other. Have a couple of them on the side. She didn't put them inside the thing. I'm just doing like so.
Now see that pickle and what's her name?
Alright. Ready? better with Takis. Yeah. I think just because I don't fancy the chips too much, I just think it'll taste better with some better tasting chips. What do you think?
Too much going on.
Too much going on. So what you give it? 1 out of 10. 9?
Y'all.
About 7.
7? Y'all, these is kind of good, but I don't know what it tastes like.
So, out of everything we just had, what's your favorite?
No, I think it's them.
You like the hot candy and pickles? You know what? Oddly, I think I like that the best too. Or just the pickles by themselves. But is there anything else you want to say to the people, Jada? Alright, y'all. Well, if there's anything else y'all like us to try on our channel, or if you have any other video ideas for us, leave it down in the comments. Let us know, and we'll go ahead and do it. Alright? Make sure y'all watch the whole video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and then go watch another video and do that all over again.
Right? Y'all, yes. And we will be going out of town soon, guys. Just wait for those vacation vlogs.
I hope so. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. Bye bye.